Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a flex pipe on a car. First, gather all your tools, including a car jack, jack stands, and appropriate wrenches. Always ensure your vehicle is completely cool and securely supported on jack stands before you begin any work underneath. Carefully locate the damaged flex pipe within your car's exhaust system, noting its position and how it connects to other components. To remove the old flex pipe, start by applying penetrating oil to any rusted bolts or clamps. This will make them much easier to loosen. Next, use a reciprocating saw or an exhaust pipe cutter to carefully cut out the damaged section of the flex pipe. Be precise to ensure clean cuts. After removal, thoroughly clean and deburr the edges of the remaining exhaust pipes to prepare them for the new component. Now, test fit your new flex pipe to confirm it's the correct length and aligns properly with the existing exhaust. Once satisfied, secure the new pipe. You can use heavy-duty exhaust clamps for a strong, reliable connection, or if you have the equipment and skill, weld it directly into place for a permanent fix. After installation, visually inspect and listen for any potential exhaust leaks. Finally, carefully lower your car and start the engine. Listen closely for any hissing or rumbling sounds that might indicate an exhaust leak. If everything sounds good, take your car for a short test drive. After the drive, recheck and tighten all clamps and bolts, as they can sometimes loosen with heat and vibration. Also, remember to check the description for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.